Good morning, students. You have to take out your history and civics book of class 6th. We have started with the lesson number 2, the Indus Valley Civilization. The topics we have already discussed are introduction, its discovery, its extent, major sites, and main features. In main features, we have discussed its town planning, society, and social life. Today, we will start with its occupation. Now, let's come to the reading part. Means of livelihood. Livelihood means to earn money to live. The Harappans followed different occupations. They were potters, carpenters, masons, blacksmiths, goldsmiths, jewelers, ivory workers, and stone cutter. Potters, one who make pots. Carpenters, one who work with the wood to build the to make the furniture. Masons, one who work with the bricks to make the houses. Blacksmith, lohar, one who works with the iron. Goldsmith, sunhar, jeweler makers. Ivory workers, one who work with the elephant tusk, and stone cutters. The main occupations were agriculture. Agriculture means growing of crops. Agriculture was the main occupation of the people. People used plow to farm their lands. Plow, it is a tool used to dig the earth. Here we can see the picture of plow. It is used in the farms by the farmers to dig the land. Wheat, barley, and rice were the main crops. Second occupation, cattle rearing, means rearing of cattle. In Hindi we used to say Pashu Palan. Cattle rearing was another profession of the people. They domesticated elephants, camels, pigs, buffaloes, and sheep. The animals were reared both for milk and meat. Why they were domesticated? For milk and meat. Third occupation was pottery making. Pottery making means the art of making pots. Pottery making was popular among the Harappans. They made reddish glazed pottery with the different designs and patterns including animals, figure, and floral motifs. We can see motifs means design. Here in the picture we can see the different designs. Here the animals are drawn. Yes, the design of animal were drawn on the pots. I have one more picture to show you. Yes, it is reddish glazed pot. Glazed means shiny. The shiny appearance was main feature of that. Spinning. Spinning means to make thread from the wool or cotton. Spinning was also in practice, which is evident from the discovery of spindle wheels. Both wool and cotton were spun. Evident means proof. We have got the spindle wool. From that we come to know spinning was also an occupation over there. Jewelry making. Jewelry was an important occupation as both men and women used to wear the ornaments. As both the men and women wore ornaments made of gold, silver, bronze, ivory, bones, and stones. What kind of jewelry they used to wear? Necklaces, bracelets, anklets, girdles, earrings, and finger rings were popular ornaments. Here you can see the different ornaments worn by the men and women at that time. Bead making. Bead is moti. Bead making was another profession of the Harappans. Beads were made of gold, silver, copper, semi-precious stone, and shells. Semi-precious stone means not costly. Stones which are not so costly. तो मोती जो बने होते थे, they were of gold, silver, and copper. Masonry and bricklaying. The Harappans were also perfect in masonry. It is evident from the well-built buildings and the huge brick structures. Bronzesmith. What is bronze? Yes, पीतल. पीतल का काम करने वाले. Bronzesmith made a statues of both animals and humans. Tool making. Many kind of tools were used by them. for the protection in the jungle, to defend them in the jungle. So tool making was also an occupation. The Harappans were also engaged in tool making. They made tools of stone, copper, and bronze. High quality axes, blades, spears, knives, fish hooks, etc. were made by them. Toy making. What kind of toys were there at that time? Children used to play. They used to play with the rattles, whistles, clay carts, figure of men and women, animals with a movable head, dolls. They were of terracotta, made of terracotta. Toy making was another profession of the Harappans. They made clay models of car, birds, men, animals, dolls. Here we can see the Harappan toys of terracotta. Here is one more picture of Harappan toys. You can see the cart here. You can see the animals here. Yes. Now come to the reading part. Seals. Seals means stamp. More than 2000 seals have been discovered from the different sides of Indus Valley. They are mostly made of clay, stone or copper and are either flat, square or rectangular in shape. They were mostly flat, but it can be square or rectangular in shape. Some of the seals are colored as well. Most of the seals have the figure of an animal like bull, buffalo, goat, tiger and elephant. The absence of cow and horse is a strange feature of Indus seal. Inside, you have gone to the golden temple. You might have seen something written on the marble, on the floor, on the there, that is engraved in it, जो अंदर गड़ा हुआ है. Same, see this seal here, something is written over here, but still it is undeciphered. But unfortunately, the script remains undeciphered. Undeciphered means not decoded yet. The seals give us valuable information about the religious belief, trade, contact, artistic skill, and script. Script means language. What kind of language they used to have? Pictographic. They were most probably used by the merchants to stamp their goods. Who used these seals? These seals were used by merchants to stamp their goods. Now come religion. One of the significant feature of the Harappan people was the worship of a female divinity. वो देवी की पूजा करते थे. The mother goddess. Who was this mother goddess? Here you can see the statue of the mother goddess. Now guess who was the mother goddess? As we all know, what was the main occupation here? Yes, agriculture. They used to grow the crops. तो where they used to grow the crops? On land. तो वो धरती माँ की पूजा करते थे. Mother Earth. A large number of terracotta female figurines have been discovered from the various Harappan sites that are supposed to be the representation of the mother goddess. Terracotta means dried clay. As agriculture was the main occupation of the people, the Harappan worship female fertility in the form of Mother Earth. We have got the many, you can say, remains of the female divinity, but there was a one seal of male deity also. One of the seal has a male deity with the three faces and eyes and was seated in a yogic posture. See this seal, Pashupati seal. See carefully, it has three faces. 1, 2, 3. You can also see the eyes over here. You can see a man sitting in a yogic posture. It's a yoga posture. Yes. And this man is surrounded by wild animals on each side. Here are the animals. We can see all the animals are facing toward the Pashunath. That is, it means it's a Pashupati seal. Pashu means animals, Pati, Lord of animals. They all are going towards this man. Seated in a yogic posture surrounded by wild animals on each side. It is considered to be the prototype of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva we know, It is a copy or imitation of, just like the Lord Shiva is sitting. Animism. Animism was another feature of Harappan people. What is animism? It means the worship of stones, trees, and animals as the abode of good and evil spirits. Abode means home, evil means bad. पीपल यूज टू वर्शिप स्टोन्स. जब हम भगवान शिव की पूजा करते हैं तो उनके पिंड की पूजा की जाती है. ट्रीज की वो पूजा करते थे, पीपल की पूजा की जाती थी. People in Acacia were considered as sacred trees. Sacred means holy. People was known as the tree of creation and knowledge. Humped bulls, tigers, rhinoceros, elephants, crocodiles, and the doves were worshipped. Serpent worship was also prevalent. Serpent is snake, prevalent usually. नाग देवता की भी पूजा की जाती थी. A large number of amulets indicates that people believe in the existence of evil spirits and wore the amulets to ward them off. Amulets ताबीज आपने देखा होगा. You might have seen कि some children used to wear a black chain and in that there is a scale like metal piece that is used for the amulets like ताबीज to ward off the evil spirits, बुरी बला वगैरह को दूर रखने के लिए. Disposal of dead. Disposal is burial. How the people were buried at that time. Generally, the burials in the Harappan civilization were all buried in the brick or stone lined up in a rectangular or oval pits. Pits were made, they can be rectangular or oval in shape. They believe in the life after death. Some of the graves containing the pots and jewelry also have been excavated. Script. What was the language at that time used? The Harappan script discovered on the seal is earliest form of the writing discovered in the India. Which is the earliest form of writing which is discovered in India? That is Harappan script. Which is Harappan script? Pictographic. The script is pictographic, that is, it consists of various signs, symbols, pictures that represent the words. The word pictographic, picto means pictures, graphic means script, pictorial form of the writing the words. Unfortunately, the script has not been deciphered, not decoded yet, and therefore our knowledge of the Harappan still remains incomplete. I hope you all are doing the exercises side by